Hi, I'm Junel Aguinaldo from grade 10 St. Benedict under the advisory class of Mrs. Jane Palma. So now we're going to talk about gun control. Is it for peace or for war? So mainly, what is a gun? A gun is a weapon that can protect or harm people. It is a device designed to discharge or fire a material. It has bullets and it has artillery shells. It came from China around CE 1000 and commonly used by policemen, security guards, air forces, militaries, and soldiers. But nowadays, many prominent people like politicians and businessmen own a gun. You can feel that you are protected, but you can harm others too. So, if we have gun control, is it for peace or for war? Well, for me, it is for peace. Guns are for peace when you just want to defend yourself. It gives you courage. For example, burglars came into your house and they want to get your money. But of course, since you have your gun, you can protect yourself. You can defend yourself and you can defend your loved ones. It gives you a bigger chance to fight. For the ones who give us protection, like policemen and other forces, they are the ones who are entitled to use them for peace, to defend our country and our fellow countrymen. Well, guns are for war when it was used to harm others. Example, for murderers, robbers, and kidnappers. They feel that when they hold guns, they can do anything. Guns are instrument to scare and kill people. Having gun in our houses makes our living more dangerous. It is more likely someone shoot a family member by accident or having a bigger chance of becoming a victim of suicide and homicide. In politics, many of politicians have guns. Let's just say for protection. Just like what I've said, they also feel secured when they have a gun. But on the other side, politicians use gun to scare or shoot persons who are involved or who knows the corruption that they have done. In our society today, guns are used to harm innocent people. News all over the world are crimes that involve guns. Just like in our country, there was this news that a man shoot an individual. Why? They argue just because of traffic. Well, I just want to give an advice to those who own guns and struggling traffics every day. Always calm down. When you reach your boiling point, don't allow yourself to get angry and to do such things. Well, for me, if we take over guns, control it, and let the policemen and others who give us protection, there will be peace. If there is no control of guns, many of us will be harmed, and people who have guns will think that they are more powerful and mightier than those who doesn't have. Well, we should always remember that whether guns are for peace or for war, it is better not to use them. Thank you for watching and have a great day.